7 important latitudes. Of all the latitudes drawn on the surface of the earth, only 7 latitudes have been named based on the natural physical laws. The value of latitude is followed by the letters N or S for north and south, namely the Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle and the poles. The earth can be broadly divided into 3 heat zones. They are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. Torrid zone. This zone has high temperatures throughout the year because the rays of the sun fall vertically on this region, making it an area which is extremely hot. Most of India lies in this region. Temperate zone. In the temperate zones, the sun's rays are slanting, reducing the heat and keeping the temperature moderate. Therefore, it is a region in which the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Frigid zone. The slanting rays of the sun, which usually lie very low in the horizon, hardly heat the land, so these regions remain perpetually cold. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north, and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, are the limit up to which the sun's rays fall vertical.